Let's make roasted Brussels sprouts with beets and carrots and then top it with nicely toasted walnuts. I have a pound of Brussels sprouts. I cut each sprout in half. 2 beets and 2 carrots. 1/3 cup to 1 cup herbs, fresh herbs, and few garlic cloves. Season with salt and add lots of black pepper. Freshly ground black pepper is the best. Give it a good mix. We'll add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil or oil of your choice. Coconut oil goes very good with this recipe too. Give it a good stir. Make sure everything is covered in oil and salt and seasonings. I have already preheated oven to 350 degrees, and now I'm going to set all these vegetables on a greased pan. I'll make one layer. If you have too many vegetables, you can use 2 different pans. Just make sure that all the vegetables are in single layer. Now the vegetables will go into the oven for 30 minutes, and this is what they look like after 30 minutes. I'll turn them, and after turning, I'm gonna put them back in oven for another 30 minutes. And this is what it looks like. They're all roasted, nice brown, crunchy and soft on the inside. I'm gonna top them with walnuts. I toasted these walnuts in a hot pan for about 5 minutes on medium-high heat. No oil, just dry roasted. Full recipe on my website yogchopra.com. Please like and subscribe.